Gold traded with a modest bullish bias yesterday, but most importantly, it has failed to break beyond 2032 levels, the critical resistance zone. At the same time, on the downside, 2020 levels proven out to be a good support. Now, what to expect, as yesterday was a swing candle? Can we expect it to continue with the rise here, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First update for the day, next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification, and do like, share and comment, friends. It is always a great. And if you're not joined the channel membership, do join the channel memberships. Let's start first to look into hourly charts. See, on the hourly charts, one must look at reversal sign here, since then bearishness, retracement, and it is still delivering lower highs, lower lows here. Thus, for the day, again, we have to wait for it to break beyond 2030-2032 zone, which is going to remain a critical resistance for the day. And beyond this, we can look forward to 2036 first resistance, and then 2040-42. Remember, it has to break beyond 2040-42 in order to confirm the reversal. Moving averages are still divergent and are still bullish. Stochastic is at overbought levels here. MACD is on a verge of a crossover, and this is a bullish crossover. Look at the moving averages as a MACD here, rise, retracement, and this crossover can lead to bullish momentum. Let's watch out more here. RSI is rising. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see lower lows here, retracement, lower highs here. We have to be cautious. 2030-2032 zone again going to be a resistance here. Also look forward to the drop is sharper, the retracement is gradual. The slope here and here is different. This suggests that the bullishness is certainly diminished, and thus it is very very important for gold to stay above this zone in order to confirm the reversal. Moving averages, trading with divergence and bullishness, stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here. It is crossed over, trading bearish right now. RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, swing here, first bullish candle, second bullish candle. Yes, right now it is under a flag formation, and this is important because lower highs, lower lows are seen. Thus, a breakout is what will bring bulls here. Right now, we cannot confirm that whether it is going to give a breakout or not. Stochastic rising, MACD. Now look at MACD here. See, MACD, after retracing strongly, it has crossed over here and it is trading bearish as of now. Be watchful of this. And you can see last time when it has hit this high, it has dropped towards the lows, and again it is crossing over from the same levels. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see, one must retrace back. Look at the movement here, drop, retracement, lower lows, retracement. Now one must notice that the highs here have yet to break beyond these highs. That is why I say 20-40-42 zone, it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. Now look at the moving averages. These are crossing over, certainly a bullish sign here, where now the 20 and 100 period crossover is also seen. Also, now look at the near term. See, certainly higher lows, higher highs are seen. Thus, it is very, very important for it to now break below 2018-2020 zone first resistance, and then 2014. Only and only if gold trades below 2014, you can confirm that it is trading bearish. Else, as long as 2014-2015 levels are not breached, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Very, very clear. On the other hand, look at these three bearish candles, stronger bearish candle, a sharper drop, achieved the 20 period, and now trying to reverse and trying to be back on the track here. So let's wait for a breakout. Stochastic rising, MACD. MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross. It is not yet crossed over completely. RSI is rising. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Register yourself now. See, equip yourself with the tools and strategies and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and do visit my platform forexfunda.com for market related updates. And also you can schedule a call there with me. All the links are shared in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the daily. On the daily charts, one must look at sharper drop, reversal sign, retracement here. Now one must notice what it has done. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Yes, it is still trading bearish. You can note in the long run it is still trading bearish, creating lower highs, lower lows. What it is aspiring to do in Best case, see, first thing is, in the near term, the reversal confirmation is only and only if it stays above 2060-65. Many a times in last multiple weeks I have told you the same, that only below beyond 2060-65 levels you can confirm a reversal. So far it has failed to break those levels. So in best case, as long as 2050 today is not breached, we should not be treating gold for a breakout. Now see what is happening here. The drop was sharp, the rise is gradual. See, the body sizes is minimal here. Second observation here is the moving average is crossing over here, certainly sign of bearishness. Now it has started to converge. And the next is, it is still delivering higher lows, higher highs here. Where are the highs? 2035-36. Where are the lows? 2022. Where is the support for that? 2014-2015. Thus one thing is very very clear, that as long as 2014-2015 is not breached, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Now look at a stochastic. This is back to overbought. MACD has just crossed over here. It is trading with divergence, two green candles. Thus in all probability it can deliver a third green candle here. And this is also confirmed with the help of candles here. Look at the candles. Preceding candle was a swing candle. Now today again we can expect it to deliver higher lows and higher highs, which means it can aspire to achieve 2036, in fact 2040-42 levels as well. Considering this, only a selling entry is below 2024, below which you can expect 2018-2020 as the first resistance, very very strong support there. Then 2014-2015 as the next, and below that 2010-2008. If these three levels are taken in tandem, see as in how it breaks these resistances on the downside or these supports on the downside. Remember, the bearishness is going to increase here, and if you see it getting support at this zone and bouncing back, remember, gold can still reverse and can trade bullish. It is not yet to be treated bearish as long as at least 2014-2015 levels are not breached. So yes, sell at 2024. Now where to buy? Only buying entry I'll confirm is the 2030-32 zone. Yes, beyond this you can look forward to 2035-36 as the first and 40-42 as the next. Only and only if gold trading beyond 2040-42 you can confirm this for a bullish reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Do watch the next update before the US session. Do press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel, and do join the Signals channel and the mentorship batch. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.